What if I told you that fear is just a story about something that doesn't exist yet? So many of my clients come to me feeling stuck, myself as well. And it's not because of a lack of options, it's because of fear. But here's the truth: fear is never about what has happened. It's always about what might happen. Our brains are so powerful. They want to protect us at all means. They want to keep us safe. And our brains want to protect us from a future that hasn't even arrived yet. And you end up suffering from something that isn't even real yet. And what do? We make decisions from that place of fear. Then we shrink, we delay, we hold back from what we actually want to create. I came across the exercise from Tom Ferriss, and it will flip the script for you, surely. So instead of being trapped in what ifs, we define them, we name them, then we plan, and suddenly it's not so scary anymore. So I want to give you the questions and take the time and do them. Ask yourself, what is the worst thing that will happen if I, and that thing that you fear doing? Now think about this. You want to make it big. You want to really blow it out of proportion. Make a list of 10 or 20 things that you think might go wrong. Then the next question: what can I do to prevent each of these worst things to happen? If the worst case scenario happens, what can I do to repair it? What are the benefits of attempting or just partial success? And if I don't do that thing that scares me so much, how will my life look like in 6 months, 1 year, 3 years from now? And to realize the real risk is staying stuck. If fear has been the reason why you are stuck in decisions, in pricing, in delegation, in growth, try this exercise. And if you're ready to align your people, priorities, and profit with clarity, reach out to me. And if you know somebody that can benefit from this fear exercise so that they can start growing and flourishing and thriving, please share this with them. And if you've got a question that you want me to answer in the future, please also leave it in the comments below. What if I told you that fear is just a story